Video I'll demonstrate how to create a scatter plot. A scatter plot is a visual representation of sets of data points for each case in a data set. So for example, if we wish to see if there's a relationship between height and weight, we could develop a scatter plot to try and represent that relationship. So scatter plots are typically used to demonstrate a correlation or a relationship, typically between two numeric variables. And so as you can see here, our two variables are height in inches and weight in pounds, and we want to see if there is a relationship between these two sets of scores. So each row represents the height and weight for one individual person, and so we have heights and weights for 10 individuals. And so what we want to try and do is represent the relationship between these particular measures. So once you have your data input, and we want to put a label on each variable, and we input our data, again, each row represents the values for one individual for each of the two variables. So I want to go ahead and highlight all the data, including the labels. And we're going to go to the Insert menu, and we're going to find the charts, and you'll see a picture here of a scatter plot. So we want to click on the little arrow next to it and choose a simple scatter plot. And so you can see here it now creates this visual representation of these two variables. So each dot represents the confluence of one person's scores. So the person who had a weight of 112 and a height of 52, that's their data point. And so when you hover over a data point, it'll actually give you the data, the heights and weights for that particular individual. And you can see here there is a pattern that seems to have developed in which the dots seem to collect together and seem to kind of travel from lower left to upper right, creating what we would call a positive relationship. As each variable increases in value, the dots kind of follow that pattern. So hopefully you found this video useful, and good luck using this in your own research.